Hey guys, welcome back to our video on mastering memory techniques, boosting brain's capacity to remember anything. In this video, we will explore powerful memory techniques that can help you improve your memorization skills and enhance your brain's capacity to remember information effectively. Whether you are a student preparing for exams, a professional looking to enhance your memory at work, or simply someone who wants to sharpen their memory skills, this video is for you. We will delve into 5 key memory techniques backed by scientific research and provide practical tips on to implement them in your daily life. Join us on this journey to unlock your brain's incredible potential. So it's time to take control of your memory and enhance your brain's capacity to remember anything. In this video, we will guide you through 5 proven memory techniques that have been scientifically backed and practiced for centuries. Our first memory technique is visualization. Studies have shown that visualizing information can greatly enhance your memory recall. By creating vivid mental images, you establish strong associations that make it easier to remember even complex data. Let's see how you can incorporate visualization into your everyday learning. Next, we have the chunking technique. This method involves breaking down large chunks of information into smaller, more manageable parts. By organizing information into meaningful groups, your brain can process and recall it more efficiently. Mnemonic devices are our third memory technique. These are powerful memory aids that help you remember information through vivid and often humorous associations. Mnemonics are immensely useful for remembering sequences. Our fourth memory technique is spaced repetition. This approach involves reviewing information at increasingly spaced intervals, allowing your brain to reinforce and strengthen memory recall over time. With the right spaced repetition strategy, you can optimize your learning efforts, retaining information for the long term. Lastly, we have mind mapping, a popular memory technique that facilitates learning and information organization. Mind maps are powerful visual tools that enable you to capture ideas, create connections, and enhance memory retention. Discover the art of mind mapping and revolutionize the way you take notes and retain knowledge. And that's a wrap on mastering memory techniques, boosting brain's capacity to remember anything. We hope you've gained valuable insights into these memory techniques and are ready to unleash your brain's true potential. Remember, these techniques require practice and consistency, so make them a part of your daily routine. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep enhancing your memory.